Who's that charming floppy-eared hound with a tail that never stops wagging? The one whose nose is always glued to the ground, leading them on grand adventures, even if it's just in your backyard. Yes, we're talking about the utterly delightful, the endlessly curious, the one and only beagle. But are beagles just adorable little troublemakers with an insatiable need to sniff? Or is there a deeper, more fascinating world behind those soulful eyes and that powerful nose? Today, we're going to follow the scent trail and uncover the true nature of the beagle, from their ancient hunting instincts to their role as beloved family pets. Stick with me. Part 1. Fun Facts, Ancient Roots and Royal Companions. The beagle's history is surprisingly long and regal. Small scent hounds similar to beagles have existed in England for centuries, even before Roman times. The name beagle itself is a bit of a mystery, possibly coming from the old French word beagle, meaning open throat, referring to their baying bark, or a Celtic word meaning small. Queen Elizabeth I even had pocket beagles, tiny beagles small enough to fit in a saddlebag or a coat pocket. Originally, beagles were used for hunting hare in packs, prized for their keen sense of smell, stamina, and melodious baying that allowed hunters to follow their progress. This explains their independent spirit, their love for being outdoors, and their tendency to follow a scent wherever it leads, sometimes forgetting their humans in the process. Part 2. Characteristics. A nose with a dog attached. A beagle's personality is a wonderful mix of playful, curious, and utterly scent-driven. They are typically merry, friendly, and affectionate, making them excellent companions for active families. Their energy is boundless, especially when they're young, and they adore playtime, especially games that involve sniffing out treats or toys. However, their most defining characteristic is their nose. Beagles have one of the best senses of smell in the canine world, second only to the bloodhound. This means when they catch an interesting scent, their brain switches from companion dog to super sniffer, and they can become deaf to your calls. Their independent nature, combined with their strong prey drive, means off-leash walks in unsecured areas are a big no-no. They will follow that fascinating smell to the ends of the earth. Part 3. Essential Care. The Beagle Owner's Manual to Happy Hounds. Caring for a beagle requires understanding their unique traits. Exercise for body and nose. Beagles need plenty of physical exercise, at least an hour a day, ideally in multiple sessions. But just as crucial is mental stimulation through scent work. Nose work games, puzzle toys, and letting them sniff on walks, on a leash, are vital to satisfy their instincts. A bored beagle is a destructive beagle. Training and consistency. Beagles are intelligent but can be stubborn, especially when a good scent distracts them. Consistent, positive reinforcement training from a young age is essential. Focus on strong recall and leash manners. Diet and weight control. Beagles are known for their love of food and can easily become overweight. Monitor their portions carefully and be mindful of treats. Those adorable floppy ears. Their long, floppy ears are cute, but can trap moisture and debris, making them prone to ear infections. Regular cleaning is a must. The howl. Beagles are hounds, and hounds howl. Be prepared for their distinctive vocalizations, especially if left alone for long periods. This might not make them ideal for apartment living with close neighbors. Part 4. Why do they capture hearts worldwide? So despite their stubborn streaks and powerful noses, why has the beagle remained one of the most popular breeds globally? Because their joyful spirit and affectionate nature are simply irresistible. They are typically good with children and other pets, making them excellent family additions. Their medium size makes them manageable, and their endlessly curious nature keeps life interesting. A beagle brings a unique blend of clownish charm, unwavering optimism, and a deep love for their human pack. They remind us to explore the world with curiosity and to find joy in every new smell. Part 5. Think carefully before getting a beagle. Before you fall head over heels for those big, soulful eyes, here are some honest questions to ask yourself. Do you have a securely fenced yard? A beagle will follow a scent over, under, or through almost anything. Are you prepared for a dog with a powerful nose and independent streak? Off-leash reliability is rare. Can you provide daily physical exercise and mental stimulation, especially nose work? Are you okay with a dog that might howl or bark more than average? Are you looking for a super obedient dog, or do you appreciate a bit of independent charm? If your answers are yes, then you might just be ready for the adventure of a lifetime with a beagle. The beagle is truly a special breed. A small hound with a massive personality, a nose that leads the way, and a heart full of love. They challenge us to embrace their unique instincts, and in return, they fill our lives with laughter, affection, and the endless wonder of discovery. They aren't just pets. They're our curious, lovable, scent-obsessed best friends. Do you have a beagle? What's the funniest or most challenging, scent-driven adventure they've led you on? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and you love these charming hounds, please give it a like, subscribe for more breed spotlights, and share it with every beagle enthusiast you know. Until next time, keep sniffing out new adventures.